What's up, people?
That scared me. Why are you so freaking... You're weird.
So this is the last Ipsy. I finally convinced her to get rid of this
For now, it's paused.
POS because it sucks. And we're gonna open it. This is unboxing for what?
For April's Ipsy.
Wow. Why do you look so pretty?
What do you mean? Why? I always look like this.
What? Damn, Gina.
So this is April's Ipsy that we just haven't opened because this person wouldn't let me open it.
First thing we have a bag. This reminds me of, you know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of
Tequila.
Tequila.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Damn. Tequila to someone that doesn't really drink.
So first thing here we have this.
Can I
Don't
open
tell
it?
me. I know. This is my BoxyCharm, right?
Oh,
this is the last one.
It is not your BoxyCharm.
I mean, this is my last Ipsy. So let me do it, okay? Can Last. It's last. We're not gonna do this again. Yeah, we're not. So
it's on pause. It's on pause right now.
We have our Ofra Highlighter Rodeo. Don't think that I just know that.
Let me see.
It says it right here.
Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let me bring my brush.
First thing I can tell you is that it smells like nothing.
Let me see. Can we swatch it on you?
Oh no.
Please.
You
Come on. It looked really, really nice last time. Promise. Babe. You act like I'm putting a needle to your face.
There.
Oh, wow.
What?
That's so nice. Let me see.
What? Tell me. Explain it to me. What
that
is
looks
this?
so bright. Do you want a mirror?
No, I'm good. So there, we're done. Thank you.
Okay. It's Highlight Rodeo Drive Ofra.
These are pretty big things. This is not a sample size.
No, that's not a sample size. That's really
This is
pretty.
not a sample size. This looks like it's a normal size.
Okay, so we're just pausing
Ofra.
Ipsy.
Nah.
Well, I just paused it.
Next we have the base tape.
Base.
Hydrating primer base
Ooh.
hydrante.
Tart.
Boom.
Let me see.
This is my video.
Oh, excuse me.
Where does this go? Is this lipstick or something? What is this? Hydrating primer.
Tart. So far, 2 items that I love.
You love these?
Well, that I'm excited to try.
Let me put myself in the...
Babe, I already love you.
Oh, you do love me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
I already do.
Oh, we're good on that one.
How's the coconut smell?
Oh.
That's not on me.
Oh.
Why would you do that?
What is that?
Ew.
I thought it was a tequila shot.
It does. It does taste good.
It tastes like a tequila shot. So now we have this Moods.
Oh, so far, this is a good bag. Let me see. Moods from Laura Sanchez.
This doesn't mean that you're gonna change your mind, okay?
Okay, so this packaging is really cute. Look. So this is Moods. I'm thinking it's a bronzer. Look. So cute. Laura Sanchez. Moods. Hey, what the heck is wrong with you? So far, 3 products. You want something, huh?
No.
Always.
So now we have this.
This is the Balm Jour from the Balm. Ooh, this is nice too. Wow, Ipsy. I'm so excited. This bag is really good.
So these are all sample sizes still, right?
Yeah, it's still sample size. Well, that's not sample size. That's a full product. It's a little
Does it taste good?
Ew. You don't even know if I was gonna give it away or not.
Too late.
Smell.
This smells nasty. This is a Balm Jour. You know what? Actually, people, all of these little things, they'll be in the description below.
Oh yeah, if you guys want to check them out.
Check them out.
We'll search for similar products if we can't find this product. This is cute. Okay, what's next?
So next we have, this is lotion for your butt. Do you know how I know that? Because there's a peach on it.
Peach Punch Sweet Foam Cleanser.
Cleans your butt.
That's it?
That's it. There's no more in here.
This was a really good bag, and it's just been sitting here in our room. Yeah, in our room. This was a really good bag. Like, I want to try all of it, especially this foam cleanser.
Okay, so you guys, just so you guys know, that is the last Ipsy forever. We're never gonna get this again. It sucks.
This was a really good bag. Like, I want to go subscribe again.
Throw that in the trash.
That's rude.
Why? No,
You paid for that.
I did?
Yes, you paid for it. So why are you throwing it away?
Give me that, please. Give me that. Hurry. Hurry. We got it back.
Oh my god, my socks. Look at you're all exposing me. Oh my god. Hey guys, we finally reached the 515 to be able to give away this box. Thank you guys for everybody that subscribed so far.